guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge try on summer haul. Try on. Don't know if I'm going to have time to film the portion, so you'll find out if you see it. But today I have lots of new goodies. I recently refreshed my wardrobe. Kinda. You know, I work at Victoria's Secret now and I have to wear all black. So I got a lot of new black stuff, and then also, you guys know I like to wear color and patterns and stuff, so I did also add that to my wardrobe as well. But yeah, so let's just get right into this. So the first item I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. It's this cute romper from H&M. It just has this daisy print on it, and I just thought it was really fun and neutral because, you know, I have this bright color here right now, so I'm trying to stay as neutral as I can. Next from H&M, I just have this black shirt with this crochet detailing on the shoulders, like for work, of course. And just this black tank top with this little ruffle at the bottom. It's a crop tank top, but you know. Then, this is my favorite one. I'm not going to insert a picture of the outfit. I had planned the outfit together with it, with the next item I'm going to show you guys. And I think I'm going to just put it in my summer outfits video. But it's just cute. Crop top is pink. It literally looks like, insert picture here. I have this like pink long sleeve crop top with this little knot in the middle. It just doesn't have the v-neck and whatnot. But yeah, I thought it looked cute. And then to go with that top is this pretty loud pattern. It's palm leaf print, but I love it. It has like this little detail. I don't know what to call that. And yeah, it's nice and fitted, and it looks cute together. You guys will see this when I film my summer outfits video. And then I got a pair of jeans, just basic high-rise black jeans from H&M. These fit me very well. And then I got these black pants. It has like an elastic band in the waist, so they're very comfy, and they're just like, I'll say it's like business casual wear, basically. But I'm going to wear it very casual for work. Then I got another crop tank top, except this one has a v-neck versus the other one was straight across. But yeah. And then one of my favorite items, when I walked into H&M, I saw this on the mannequin, and I was just like, oh, you guys kill me when you have all this new stuff just right on display. But I don't know where I'm going to wear this, but I just had to buy it. It's just a, what do I want to call this? It's a jumpsuit. I couldn't think of what to call this. Sweetheart neckline? Yeah. And it comes with straps as well, which I'll probably just wear it strapless. Oh my gosh, it's a strapless jumpsuit. That's what I was trying to say the whole time. And then I just got this black bodycon dress. So I have a few bodycon dresses from H&M, but they're kind of worn out because I've had them for a few years. So I just got a new one. And then next, I'm going to show you items from Dry Goods. And we just recently got this in my town, and I'm obsessed with this store. So I got this burnt orange jumpsuit with this floral print on me. Here I go with the floral print. I don't know what the problem is, whatever. It has this little ring detailing, and it's a deep V. It's not as deep as it looks right here. Once you put it on, it kind of sits like this romper. And then the entire back is out though, which I like that. Probably going to have to figure out a bra situation. Maybe a sticky bra, because I don't know, just how deep that V is. I feel like the wind blows and my nipple will be showing, you know. And then I have a jumpsuit from Apricot Lane, which I saw this on Instagram first, and I was like, no, I'm not going to buy it, yada yada. One day I just was like, I'm going shopping, because I had money to spend, right? And I went in there and I tried this on, and I fell in love with it. And I was just like, well, I don't need this right now. Like, this isn't what I'm here for. So I put it back. And then when I came back shopping the other day, they had it. So I had to buy it. And it's just this cute little jumpsuit. And it has like two ties in the front. This one is over the breast area, and this is over the stomach. It just cuts out right here and there. So, you know. And also from Apricot Lane, during the trip when I first tried on that striped one, I ended up buying this. I wore it to my friend's grad party. Insert picture here. And it just looks so cute on. It has these little strap detailing in the back. It zips all the way up and whatnot. But yeah, I love jumpsuits. Next, I have an article. I might have. Oh, there's a bracelet as well. So a few things that I bought when I went to Electric Forest, which greatest time of my life. If you haven't seen my video for that, watch it. It's linked below. The Electric Forest video will be posted before this one. I got this cute little bracelet. Honestly, I could have made this myself, but they were only $5, so I was like, why not? And then I got this beautiful dress. It's a bodycon dress. The back is out, and then it has like this cowl neck detailing. And then the next thing that I have to show you is from Francesca's Collections. I don't even know if it's called Francesca's Collections anymore. But I got this beautiful dress. I was going to wear this to the grad party, but I decided not to. But I still needed it because I don't have any dresses that like come to my knee because I'm so tall and like everything is like midline, like looks be inappropriate, like, you know, because I always get complaints and stares because I'm so freaking tall and nothing wants to be long enough, but that was long enough. And then last but not least from Target, I hit the jackpot there. I found these cute baby blue shoes in my size. I have a big foot. I wear 11. And I only paid $17 for these. Like, I could not pass these up. I had to get them. Well, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know down below what your favorite item was. And also let me know if you'd like to see a first impression / review on this beautiful hair. You know, a little fun color for summertime. Because last year I did platinum. And I was going to do platinum again because I was scared of this when I first got it. And finally I just threw it on and it looks great. I love it. I know it looks great. So if you guys don't like it, I don't care. But thanks for watching, guys.